Master data setup and first employee creation in ViPeople. Hello there. In the previous video, you learned how to register and log in successfully to the ViPeople system. In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up master data, a crucial step to configure your organization. I'll also show a quick demo on how to create your very first employee in the system. Quick introduction to ViPeople. ViPeople is the first HR management platform built with a community-based model, allowing you to deploy a full HR system on your own infrastructure, avoid reliance on third parties, have full control over your data and HR processes. Part 1. Master data. Setup. Note: when logging in for the first time, the system contains no data, only the admin account. So before adding employees, you need to set up master data. 1. Master data structure. To create an employee, these linked data structures must be in place. Organizational structure, location, business unit, department, position, employee, geographical structure, country, state/province, city, employee. Without these, you won't be able to select values when creating an employee. Demo data ready. I've prepared sample data files to help you input quickly, or you can follow the manual steps below. Let's start entering data. Step 1. Add locations. Go to location. Add new. Enter. Location. Name: Vietnam. Description: optional, click Save. Do the same for other locations like United States, Japan, etc. Step 2. Add business units. Business units must be linked to locations. Go to Business Unit. Add new. Enter. Name: APAC Sales Division. Location: select an existing one. Description: optional, click Save. Step 3. Add departments. Departments must be linked to business units. Go to Department. Add new. Enter. Name: Human Resource. Business Unit. Select one. Description: optional, click Save. Step 4. Add positions. Positions must be linked to departments. Go to Position. Add new. Enter. Name: HR Specialist Department. Select one. Description: optional, click Save geographical structure. Setup. Step 1. Add countries. Go to Country. Add new. Enter. Name: Vietnam. Description: optional, click Save. Step 2. Add states, provinces. Must be linked to a country. Go to State. Add new. Enter. Name: Ho Chi Minh. Country. Select Vietnam. Description: optional, click Save. Step 3. Add cities. Must be linked to a state. Go to City. Add new. Enter. Name: District 1. State: select Ho Chi Minh. Description: optional, click Save. Part 2. Create your first employee. Once your master data is in place, you can now add a new employee. Go to Employee, Add New. In Tab 1, fill in full name, date of birth, phone, email, address, identifier, gender, status, avatar nationality. Now available from the country master data. Move to Tab 2. Enter job name. Other drop-downs, location, business unit, department, position, city, are now selectable thanks to your setup. Done. You've successfully created your first employee. Important notes. Newly created employees are marked as pending. You must activate them and grant login access, covered in the next video. Summary. Congratulations. You've completed setting up organization and geographic master data. Creating your first employee. ViPeople empowers your organization with full autonomy. No subscription fees, no vendor lock-in, no loss of control. You own your platform. Visit ViPeople.netlify.app to download the setup package. Next video. Learn how to activate employees and grant login access. Need help? Use the support menu right inside the system. ViPeople. HR for a new generation.